We joined Nautical Boat Club. We wanted to buy a boat, but didn't want to deal with the maintenance and the docking and everything. So when we heard about this, it was perfect. The boats are always clean. They're always ready to go for us to be able to enjoy the day out with the kids. We never have to worry about safety when it comes to them. And even when something does come up, they're only a phone call away, and it's always, they know exactly who we are. It almost feels like a family coming here. It's just so user friendly, and the people here are super awesome.